Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have a package to open in this video. It is actually the notes unboxing from the Big Hit shop itself. So I have the package here. It's actually pretty small, so I'm just going to go ahead and open this. It was shipped, I think, on the 10th. It actually got here on the 13th, but the 13th was yesterday. It got here on the 13th, but I totally missed the delivery date, so here it is. Oh my god, I hope I can do this. Alright, I opened it upside down, so let's just do this. So here's everything in a really nice, humongous bag. I got these set because I just like all the covers. Such a shallow reason now that I realize, but what can I say? I'm a shallow person. Let's see if I can do this better. Hold up. Okay, so hopefully that's better, but I don't even remember which covers which. Okay, that's great. It does tell you what each of these are. So this pink, oh, these are really small. That's how big it is. These are really tiny. I feel like these are smaller than regular book size. It's like a tiny diary or journal size. Anyways, I did pre-order this, and it comes with these little books. Come with every pre-order. But anyways, going back to what I said about the letters, it says E and then K and then J. I think the Korean one is the best one, like as the cover is just really pretty. They're so pretty. Oh my god, I'm sorry about that. These are so pretty. I love this one so much. This one's really nice too. And then I think this is last place. But they're all really pretty. It doesn't really matter. We're totally judging a book by its cover, which is not what we're supposed to do. Don't do that in life. Don't do that. Okay. Yeah, it says 1, so we're probably going to get different volumes, I guess. Multiple volumes to come. Going back to the set, I bought the set because, like I said, I like all the covers, and I read English, obviously, and I can read Korean. Japanese, on the other hand, I do not understand at all, so I could have just bought these two and not the whole set, but whatever. I'm actually going to open the Japanese one. Actually, no, that's really stupid. Let's open the English one. It says BU on the back, like the notes that come in the albums. Okay. I had to smell it. It doesn't really smell like what I'm used to for notes. Oh, yeah, it's also matte. Oh, it's really soft and matte. Oh, it's not lined. Oh my god, I thought it was lined. Huh, interesting. I wonder why I didn't do lined paper, because I feel like that would be really good for journaling, but it's completely blank. Very cool. And here is, actually I saw an unboxing of this on, I guess, my friend. Can I call you my friend? I'm not really sure. Let's just call like it acquaintance or someone I met on the internet. Do you guys know like the YouTuber Blue Moon B? I may have referenced her in another video I filmed today. Anyways, I apologize if I did that twice, but yeah, I saw her unboxing yesterday, and yeah, kind of wish I opened another one now, but this is what it looks like. Oh, really cool. It actually says who designed it. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, cool. Very cool. Let me read this.
Prologue, good kid. Shadow of my... Oh, is this the table of contents? Oh, it has to be. Shadow of my childhood. Everything started from here. End of summer, beginning of solitude. I must survive. What to look for when lost. The things with wings. The topmost floor in the city. The most beautiful day of our lives. After returning from the sea. The direction where the sun rises. Epilogue, nightmare. I didn't tell anyone, but I felt on that long ago day that I had finally found a real family. Real brothers. Tongguk, May 22nd, year 22.
Oh, and here is the blurb. And this cover is so darn pretty. What the heck? What the heck? It's so pretty. I love how there's like this little peeping hole, basically. Whoa! I was not expecting photos. What the heck? But yeah, it just has like little logs, I guess, from the different members, so you get like different perspectives. It's just like a giant version of the notes that you get from the albums, which is really nice. From the Love Yourself albums, at least. Was that thing? Yeah, that was the table of contents, what I read just before. But it does. Oh, did I just nick it? Okay, it's fine. But that is the English version, and I think I'm gonna open the Japanese version. I don't know why, but I'm kind of feeling like keeping the Korean one like this for a little bit. So let's just open the Japanese one for fun. I was like, I bought the set, why not show you guys another one? I won't be reading the Japanese one, but I just wanted the whole set so I could, like, if I display this or whatever, it's just good to know that I have all of them. And this is the same. Actually, this is really pretty. Because, like, I didn't really flip it over before to look and, you know, see the purple. This is really pretty. The back is definitely a lot prettier than the front, which is interesting. Okay, let's just... Oh, and it's blue. This is that peach color. Oh, this is super pretty. This blue is... Oh my god, I love blue. I love blue, I love purple. I hope this one is purple, actually. Oh my god, I love those colors so much. This is so pretty. I literally do not understand this at all. I can't even read their names in Japanese. Like, I don't know. Okay. This video is getting kind of long for what was supposed to be short, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, let me know down below if you purchased the notes and how you feel about it. Make sure to subscribe if you like these videos. I will see you all very soon. Bye, everyone!